change in density, change in density of a metal sphere, change in density of a metal sphere or of a material under a pressure, under a pressure. In diagram, in the diagram, this is a metal sphere immersed in a liquid, immersed in a layer of liquid at the point A. At the point A, the metal sphere is immersed in liquid at the point A, and this metal sphere has mass m, density ρ1, and volume V1 at the pressure P1. P1 is the pressure at the point A or acting on the metal sphere. Now this is the metal sphere which is at the point A. This is the metal sphere or metallic sphere of mass m, density ρ1 at the pressure P1, and V1 is the volume, and the same metal sphere is taken to the point B at the depth h. In this case, the metal sphere is taken to the point B at depth h, and volume and mass remains constant m, density increases to ρ2 at the pressure P2, and volume decreases to V2. V1 was initial volume at the point A, and at depth h at the point B, volume decreases to V2. Volume of the metal sphere decreases to V2. At the point B, volume of the metal sphere is V2, density increases to ρ2 at the pressure P2. So this is the depth h at which the metal sphere is taken, and its mass remains constant, density increases to ρ2, and volume decreases to V2. When a metal sphere, of volume, of initial volume V1, when a metal sphere of volume V1 is at the point A, in a liquid, is at the point A in a liquid at pressure P1, at pressure P1, in a liquid, at pressure P1 in a liquid, comma, the density of the metal sphere, density of the sphere will be, or the density of the sphere is ρ1 equal mass by volume m by V1, m by V1 at the pressure P1. So this is the liquid, and the metal sphere is immersed in liquid at the point A, where m is the mass of the metal sphere, where m is the mass of the metal sphere at the point A, and this mass will remain constant, ρ1 equal m by V1, which is equation 1. That is the initial density of the metal sphere at the point A inside the liquid. When the metal sphere, is taken to the point B, at depth h, small h, at depth h in the liquid, at depth h in the liquid, its volume decreases to V2 at the higher pressure P2, and density of the sphere, will increase to ρ2, Now The final density of the metal sphere is rho 2 equal m by v2, mass by volume, m by v2 at the pressure P2, at the pressure P2. Rho 2 equal m by v2 at the pressure P2, which is the density of the metal sphere at depth h at the point B. Therefore, rho 2 by rho 1 is equal m by v2 divided by m by v1 divided by m by v1 equal v1 by v2. Rho 2 by rho 1 is equal v1 by v2. Rho 2 by rho 1 equal v1 by v2. This is equation 2. So this is equation 1. Rho 2 by rho 1 is equal to v1 by v2. Now in the diagram, at the point A, density rho 1 is equal to m by v1 and p1 is the pressure at the point A. And when the sphere is taken to the point B, density of the sphere increases to m by v2 at the pressure P2. As pressure P2 is greater than P1, so the volume V2 is less than V1. That means volume decreases and rho 2 is greater than rho 1, means density increases at the point B. So at higher pressure, at the higher pressure at the point B, volume decreases and density increases. Density increases. Now the bulk modulus, now the bulk modulus, now the bulk modulus of the sphere, the bulk modulus of the metal sphere is K equal F by A divided by minus delta V by V1. Negative sign indicates that under the pressure, under the action of pressure, volume decreases. Where F by A equal delta P, which is the stress or change in pressure. F by A equal delta P, which is the stress or normal stress acting on this metal sphere. That is the change in pressure when the metal sphere is taken from the point A to B. When the metal sphere is taken to the point A to B, pressure increases by delta P, and delta V is equal, not with the delta V to delta V equal V2 minus V1, which is the change in volume of the metal sphere. Change in volume of the metal sphere. Now putting the expression of F by A and del V, K equal delta P divided by V2 minus V1 divided by V1, or comma K equal or comma V2 minus V1 divided by V1 equal minus delta P by K, or comma V2 by V1 equal V2 by V1 minus 1 equal minus delta P by K. Therefore, V2 by V1 ratio of volume, final volume and initial volume, is 1 minus delta P by K. This is V2 by V1. Ratio of volume, final volume divided by initial volume, is 1 minus delta P by K, which is equation 2. Putting the expression of V2 by V1 from equation 2, in equation 1, in equation 1, 2 by V1, putting the expression of V2 by V1 from equation 2 in equation 1, we get rho 2 by rho 1 was V1 by V2 equal 1 divided by 1 minus delta P by K. That is rho 2 by rho 1 equal 1 divided by 1 minus delta P by K. Therefore, rho 2 is equal K into rho 1 divided by K minus delta P. delta P is the change in pressure when metal sphere is taken to depth h in a liquid. That means the metal sphere is taken from the point A to B, and rho 2 is equal K rho 1 divided by K minus delta P, which is the density of metal sphere under a change in pressure, delta P equal P2 minus P1, where rho 1 is the density of the metal sphere at the point A in a liquid. Rho 1 is the density of the sphere at the pressure P1, and rho 2 is the density of the sphere at the pressure P2. Rho 2 is the density of the metal sphere at the pressure P2, or at the point that is under a change in pressure delta P from P1 to P2. Change in pressure delta P equal P2 minus P1. Also, change in density of the metal sphere is delta rho equal rho 2 minus rho 1. Now putting the expression of density rho 2, K rho 1 divided by K minus delta P minus rho 1. Rho 1 is taken common, K divided by K minus delta P minus 1 equal rho 1, doing LCM, K bracket open, K minus delta P divided by K minus delta P. Therefore, delta rho equal delta P dot rho 1 divided by K minus delta P. That is the change in density of metal sphere when it is taken to a depth h under a change in pressure delta P. Delta rho equal delta P rho 1 divided by K minus delta P. That is the change in density. Change in density, that is increase in density of the metal sphere change in density, that is increase in density of the metal sphere under a change in pressure delta P, equal P2 minus P1. Now if we explain the diagram again, in the diagram the initial density of metal sphere was rho 1 equal m by v1. Now when it is taken to a depth h at the point B, density increases to rho 2, which is K rho 1 divided by K minus delta P. And in this case, change in density of the metal sphere is delta rho, which is rho 2 minus rho 1 is equal to delta P into rho 1 divided by K minus delta P. That is delta rho equal delta P dot rho 1 divided by K minus delta P.